and dry in the tent. Are you wet?
Yes.
Hi guys. It's raining really hard. Well, this is not good. The reservoir is overflowing now. What about those houses? This Pine Mill. Well, rain boots are useless. It's reached my knee, the water. There's my house. The sidewalk is gone. I'm really worried it's about to reach my house.